Okay, this is kind of a cool little one. We're gonna do a short video. I'll just show you what I ate and what I got inside. Just kind of walk away from it a little bit. It's like right on the corner there. So pretty cool little restaurant. And you can see from the dish right there. So mine was actually not too different. I had an egg, and I'll probably play it quietly. So I just kind of give you some context of where we are as well. This is all filmed with the iPhone instead of the usual GoPro. Okay, let's go in and show you what I got there. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Go check out the room. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Chiquinha.